Hello dears, my name is Lubo, I'm a caretaker here at Merigar East, welcome. Let me show you around, show you our Gonpa and explain a little bit some aspects of our Gonpa renovation campaign. So, welcome to the Merigar East Gonpa. Let's take a look around. Here we have cloth and cutting utensils and everything ready for the lungta production. You see some screens with the future lungta designs. And this is how it looks ready. 12 primordial masters. Beautiful. Here we have the succulent refuge, plants that beautify the Gonpa from the outside during the warm season are brought inside for the winter. Very nice. For those who have not yet had the chance to visit, this is Rinpoche's seat and the altar with Guru Rinpoche statues and also a beautiful statue of Garab Dorje. And here you can see the reason for our troubles, most prominent deterioration of the inner wall on the northeastern side of the Gonpa. You see the paint coming off, the plaster underneath, it's basically crumbling, getting softer, also infected by mold. So the reason here is missing or damaged hydro insulation. And as you can see, the water finds its way through the concrete foundation up to the brick, soft brick part of the wall, climbing up and destroying the building. We have basically two ways of dealing with the situation, and the result depends on our ability to raise funds and secure some expert help. The first option, a budget option, lies in removing all the infected plaster and the parts of the wall and just covering what remains with a wooden grid as to make it appear a little bit nicer. A proper and permanent solution would lie in sewing off the walls from the wet foundation and inserting a bitumen or plastic stripe in between, so there is no more water penetration into the wall. But in order to be able to do so, we need your help, we need your support. We'll be organizing an event inviting volunteers to participate in the wall repair part. And we kindly ask you to support our campaign, since we also need to raise the funds to make the Gonpa renovation successfully happen. Please consider reaching out, participating, and helping us preserve this beautiful place for generations to come.